I don't know what we're going to do to mow the lawn. Oh. You guys, there needs to be a bell on this thing. Welcome to Faithfully Bearded. You caught me off guard, like always. I am Tyson. I'm in the Faithful Studios here, just chilling on this Saturday morning. And you guys caught me off guard. So give a ha-ha in the comments below. Ha-ha everybody else's ha-ha. And let's have a ha-ha fest comment session. I mean, that sounds fun for a Saturday, right? Anyway, it is Saturday, and today we found this little shop on Etsy called Cake and Barrel, and so I ordered from them, and I was like, this sounds interesting. Your scent profiles sound interesting. So I want to show that to you today. So we're going to unbox it right after this. Alright, thank you for watching that. If you're new here, subscribe, thumbs up, hit the bell so all your devices go off when I go live or when I post a new video or when we find something like Cake and Barrel and we want to show you guys what it's all about. If you are loyal here, thank you. Thank you very much. I feel like we should be talking on Instagram a little bit more. I'm all about the friendships. I want to talk to everybody, get to know you all, and make this more than just a YouTube channel. Let's make it a friendship. I've talked to a few of you guys, and you guys are pretty cool, so let's grow, let's share with our friends. What kind of people would we be if we didn't share the goodness of Faithfully Bearded with our friends? I feel like it's our duty to share the goodness with our friends. Maybe more people will have an opportunity to win some of this beard wall, right? Alright, so I got my trusty Hobby Lobby razor blade. Cut this box open. Let's see what there be inside of thee. A little bit of Shakespeare for you. Alright, so we're opening the box. First thing I see right now, right on the top, is a piece of paper. Alright, and I'm not going to show you because I can't tip it up, but here's the piece of paper. This is my receipt. So maybe I ordered some cool stuff. I don't know. It just is a receipt and says thank you. Handwritten thank you. Cool. Got that. We got a business card. Cake and Barrel. Artisan Bath and Body Products. Kimberly Dixon from Georgia. So there's the business card. There you go. Check it out. Take a look. 2 business cards. We'll throw those aside. And basically what we have here is Aubrey chores. So some people call them peanuts. I call them Aubrey chores. So let's just get them out of here. We'll just get them on up out of here. And when Aubrey gets home, she can clean them up. There we go. Making it rain, Aubrey chores. So we have a bomb. We have a lot of bombs. So let's just get right into this. I'm going to take off. This is a lot of bombs. I'm going to take out all the stuff, all the bombs, to get to the oils, because I like to do oils first. I don't know what that is. Alright, so here we go. Let's just check this out. This isn't a normal unboxing. I've never talked to this company. Don't know anything really about them other than I found them on Etsy, and I thought that they looked cool. I thought they had some cool scents. So we unwrap this. Check out the label on the bottle. It's pretty creative and unique, right? Looks kind of classy there. This is vanilla tobacco, grapeseed oil, coconut oil, sweet almond oil, avocado oil, shea olein, argan oil, jojoba oil, castor oil, vitamin E, and fragrance. Seems interesting. Twist off the top here. Vanilla tobacco. It's just got that amazing vanilla tobacco scent. I just love vanilla tobacco so much. Vanilla tobacco, winner in my book. Set that down over here. We shall grab the next one and rip it off here, rip it apart, and show you that it looks the same. Same bottle, label design. Looks like the same ingredients, but this is bourbon and brown sugar. Who doesn't like a little brown sugar? Diabetics, that's who. This has a really good bourbon smell. It's a little intense. of a bourbon smell. Not a lot of brown sugar smell, but that might change in beard or in hand. This smells a lot like bourbon to me. A lot of bourbon. But I like it. I'm getting into the whiskey, the bourbon, tobacco scents. That seems to be kind of my style. I mean, this stuff's packaged up really good. Here you have Bourbon Vanilla. Bourbon Vanilla. Bourbon Vanilla. Sorry about that. That's my work phone telling me what's going on here. Bourbon Vanilla. I get a little bit of vanilla out of this, more of the bourbon. It's not the same type of bourbon as the brown sugar one, so maybe the brown sugar made the bourbon stand out a little bit more. Next thing we have here, packaged up, nice and good. Beechwood Vetiver. What? Beechwood Vetiver. I can smell this one already. No, that's good. This is a clean soap, but that's kind of sweet. It's not like Irish Spring. It's like something I would want to wash my hands with, but it's nice and clean smelling. So I think I'm going to like that. We have another one. We have another one, y'all. We have another one. Unwrap this. Man, Aubrey is going to have some work to do today. Got to earn that money. Amaretto. Amaretto. What? Who makes an amaretto scent? Oh my goodness. That's like maraschino cherries, amaretto, all in one. Whew! That is awesome. Like, I'm going to love that in my beard. I feel like I'm going to love that in my beard. You know I like those sweet scents. Those bourbon scents. Like, we should mix amaretto with bourbon brown sugar. Like, maybe I wear amaretto oil, bourbon brown sugar balm, and have like an amaretto bourbon. What? What am I coming up with? Hipster. That's right, hipster. Well, what does hipster smell like? What does a hipster smell like? Just walk up to one and give them a sniff and you'll know. Ha ha. I don't know. Let's find out. Let's see. Ooh, this is really good. This is a cologne scent, but it's a fruity, fresh cologne. I really like that. Hipster. Man, I might have discovered something here, guys. I might have discovered something with Cake and Barrel. Might have discovered something unique with Cake and Barrel. And then the next one, Fiery Rival. Fiery Rival. Let's twist this off here. This is another cologne-y type scent. It's a little cologne-ish, not a fresh, clean cologne, not a musk cologne, just a good smelling, modern cologne, I would say. What's the next one? Spiced Apple Bourbon. Spiced Apple Bourbon. Definitely get the spiced apple. You get a little bit of the bourbon in there. I don't know if it's the spiced apple that I would like too much, but I just got to get it in the beard. That's the thing. Some of these change so much in beard, so I want to get it in the beard, but you definitely get a little spiced apple with it, and then the bourbon is the after effect. What is this? Toasted marshmallow? Are you kidding me? Toasted marshmallow? Oh, goodness gracious. That smells just like a marshmallow. I feel like I'm making s'mores right now. Anybody got a graham cracker? Anybody got a graham cracker and some chocolate? All right, last oil. Last oil. This is fun. This was a haul right here. Patchouli Rain. Patchouli Rain. Could you imagine if you walked outside and it was raining patchouli? Burning my eyes. Oh, this is a nice patchouli. This reminds me of a soap too, like a soap, Irish Spring-ish type soap with a little bit of patchouli. So that's it. We got more of Aubrey's chores in the box. I'm going to be nice and just set it down gently. All right, so let me check out these balms, all right? I'm not going to open every one on camera because who wants to sit here and watch me open like 10 balms? But I want to show you what one looks like and then smell it and see like what the scent profile is. So this is the Bourbon brown sugar, all right? And so we have beeswax, shea butter, cocoa butter, grapeseed oil, coconut oil, sweet almond oil, vitamin E, shaolin, avocado, castor jojoba. So I want to see, like, this is what it looks like. So a little yellow tint, not much. You get a little bit of balm, but not much. You get the nice bourbon brown sugar scent. This is nice. Wow. So you're like medium consistency, a little bit to the hard side. Still got it out with my fingernail. Emulsifies up pretty good. It's a little waxy. Like this is probably going to be pretty close to a hard hold. Oh man, this smells so good though. Like this smells so good. I'm going to link their Etsy shop below. Oh wait. Whoa. I almost forgot. There's a butter. Hang on. Hang on. Don't go anywhere yet. Stay tuned. Stay tuned for this. A butter. A butter. All right, we got a butter. It's in this black plastic. I love these containers. These twist top plastic containers. I love these. Check out the label. I love it. This is awesome. Southern Gentleman. Dude, you guys, we might have hit something with this company. Southern Gentleman is nice. Ooh, look how soft this is. Wowzers. Man alive. That smells good. Southern Gentleman. All right. Anyway. Wow. You guys, I'm going to link this Etsy shop below. Again, I have never talked to these people. It's Cake and Barrel on Etsy. I just picked out some stuff. They got some really unique carrier oil blends. They use shaolin, which is awesome. They got some really unique scents. They got really nice labeling and bottles, really nice design. Like, I am actually thoroughly impressed with this unboxing. I'm going to get in and check out the prices, and maybe I'll contact them and try to talk to them a little bit. This is pretty neat stuff. So I'm going to try these out on the weekend, and if you guys have any questions on it, DM me. I don't know if I'll do a follow-up video to tell you what I actually think of a review after I wear it, but you can DM me and I'll let you know if you guys are interested. But this seems pretty cool. The scents are awesome, so I'm kind of impressed with the Etsy find. Maybe I should have done a week on this. I don't know. But you all, thank you. Have a great weekend. Share the love. Share the Faithfully Bearded. Share the Cake and Barrel. Let's grow this community together. Y'all my friends, and I appreciate every single one of you and what you do. So, continue to be a blessing to people. Continue to do something nice. You be you. Do something good for somebody today. Grab your coffee. Grab your bang. Stroke your man-mane, because it's oh so good. And until I talk to you guys again soon, God bless you all.